Currently on the screen is the life of Hurricane Irma so far. Welcome to another update via the Force 13. Hurricane Irma is currently located (17.0 degrees north, 51.5 degrees west, about 680 miles east of the Leeward Islands. Maximum sustained winds 115 miles per hour. Tracking west-southwest at 14 miles per hour, and minimum central pressure is 961. However, it could be a little bit lower. The latest track from the National Hurricane Center and the area in pink shows the hurricane warning for the northern Leeward Islands. Storm force wind speed probabilities. Earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. Summaries of watches and warnings remain in effect and no change. Wind shear, upper level divergence, shear tendency information currently not available. Here's the latest floaters on Irma. We know that Irma did drop west-southwest, but might have changed directions again according to the latest from the NHC. The latest from the National Weather Service down there in San Joan for Monday and Monday night. Correction, Monday afternoon. The latest model tracks on Irma available on the Tropical Tidbits website. Caution needs to be applied when viewing this information as the picture does change. Force 13 will continue to bring updated information. Stay tuned to the main channel. There is a strong possibility that we could be live in a few hours from now. And finally, model intensity guidance.
You can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube. You're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.